welcome back. If you're new, welcome. My name's Sarah, and today is more of like a vlog style slash Christmas decoration video. Basically, we've been wanting to decorate for a few days now, but it hasn't really worked out. We finally found some time to go ahead and get started. We got the stuff pulled out from the attic. So my husband Peter and I are going to be decorating, and little Reese here is going to be tagging along. So y'all enjoy. All of our Christmas stuff. This is what we've got here. We've got our tree, and then we did pick up this Christmas wreath at Target today, and I picked out some stuff that I had in the drawer from last year. These are the evergreen spruce candles. I just pulled out this sign. I thought we could use that, maybe write Merry Christmas on it or something. I have a bunch of these twinkle lights. These we got at the Dollar Tree last year, so hopefully they work. They're the light up necklace, the light necklace. Then we got the mistletoe. We got that at Target today too. Okay, so we are going to start decorating for Christmas. It is a random Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? No, it's a random Wednesday night, but hey, at least we're doing it. And we are super excited. I'm just gonna go ahead and set up the camera while we get the tree set up and start decorating. This may be like a 2 or 3 day process, just because with our schedules, who knows how it's gonna go, especially with a 1-year-old too. So, all right, we got PETA over here. Setting up.
Stand, Christmas tree stand. All right, let's run where we're gonna put it. Hey, what are you doing?
Reese, are you getting into trouble?
It's the most wonderful time of the year. All right, base.
Do you mind help?
We're gonna have to move some stuff. Some of this.
Yeah, we'll have to scooch everything over.
Scooch.
Scooch. I opened them up. I found this, it was a 2-pack on Amazon, and they're really good. Like, they're not like cheapy flags or anything. They I'm gonna put one at the front door and then one at the side door. I just thought they were too cute. Penguin cookie jar. It's cute. Oh, our
show.
These are our
Dollar Tree nutcrackers. Cute.
$20.
Yeah.
Is that last year?
Cute.
Cute. Yeah, those are cool.
Dollar Tree find.
There's Rudolph.
So.
share something really neat about this nativity. is that it was made by Peter's grandparents in 1955. And they hand painted all of these little nativity people, and they put their initials and the year that they painted them. Hey you guys, welcome back to day 2 of Christmas decorating. So like I said, it might take us a day or two. This is day 2, and the reality is it's actually been like a week and a half. So we've been half decorated for Christmas for a week and a half, and that just goes to show you, your life is crazy if you just can't seem to get the rest of your Christmas decorations up. But with that being said, I'm off today. Peter's working early, so whenever he gets off this afternoon, he's gonna help me decorate the rest of the living room, and we're gonna decorate the tree together. But I'm gonna try and get some pre-decorating done around in other areas of the house today, during the day, and Reese's napping. She might wake up soon, but we'll make it work. And I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a little Christmas decor haul. I didn't get a lot because I don't have a lot of extra money to spend on Christmas decorations, and fortunately enough, we've accumulated a lot over the years that we feel like we're okay, we have enough to decorate with right now. But I did pick up a few things from Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Five Below. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip you guys around and show y'all what I picked up and kind of give y'all the scoop on what I'm gonna do today. All right, you guys, well, this is everything I picked up. It is a mix of Dollar Tree, Five Below, and Walmart. So I'll go ahead and start over here. So I picked this up at Walmart because I didn't have any at Dollar Tree. It's like that fake snow stuff they use for villages. It wasn't very expensive. I think it was like $3 or something. So I have a little project I'm gonna do with that, and then they have these little snowflakes to kind of give it a little bit of a sparkle. That was $2.78, and so I'll be using those from Walmart. And then you always can use a few extra extension cords. So these were only like $1.37 at Walmart. I did grab a black one too that I've already put out already. So grabbed a couple extra of these, and these were only like $3 and something. I'm gonna put these around the foot of the bed of my bonus girls bunk bed, so that way whenever they come to visit us, they'll have these fun Christmas lights decorating their room. As well as I have a little tree for their room, and I just thought these were the cutest fun decorations. They're just fun and bright and just happy, so I got these for their little tree for their room. The little cupcakes, aren't those adorable? So this was at Walmart. This whole pack was at Walmart, and I don't remember how much it was, but this was at Walmart, and then I got this little star to go on top of their tree. So I'm going to try and decorate their tree so that way they have a fun surprise to come to whenever they come to visit us. And this was all from Walmart. And then at Dollar Tree, I got these little guys. I'm sure y'all are familiar with these. They are plastic, so they're not porcelain. I know back in the day they used to have the porcelain ones, but these, you don't put an actual light bulb in them. You put a tea light that is battery operated, these guys. So I picked these up, and silly me, I guess just thinking that it was from the Dollar Tree, that it wasn't gonna have a battery in it, I went ahead and opened it up. So I'll show you. There's a little place for a battery, and there's a screw. So I actually went in and unscrewed it and opened it up just to find that there was a battery in it, and I didn't even think to turn it on. I don't know, you can see, I went ahead and turned it on, but silly me didn't even think to turn it on before unscrewing it and opening it. Oh, there you go. You can see a little bit better. So these fit perfectly into these. So if, we have the lights dimmed or whatever, that'll show up a little bit better. But, so I actually found these little tea light, LED tea light candles at Dollar Tree. They had these 2 packs. And I did buy these batteries for them at Walmart, so I guess whenever the batteries die, I'll have extra, so that's actually okay. And I feel like you can always use some extra ornament hooks, so I found these at the Dollar Tree. You get 200 in there, so that's really good. And these ornaments, we do have tons of ornaments already, but I thought these were just too cute to not pass up. Just little Christmas trees with the little bells, 2-pack. From the Dollar Tree. And then I got some of these to go on our little mini Christmas tree in our bedroom, Dollar Tree. And these were at the Dollar Tree too for the little project I'm going to show y'all later. I'm going to experiment and see if it even turns out. Okay, oh, and for my Christmas sock collection, I'm a sucker for Christmas socks. And I already have tons, but I just love the little hedgehog, so I had to go ahead and get him. And these I picked up at Dollar Tree. If you are needing good flossers and you have sensitive teeth and gums, these are awesome. They have them at our Dollar Tree, and they're fantastic. Some cotton rounds, and then I got tons of batteries. I know these probably are not the strongest, but I didn't want to spend a ton of money on batteries, so I'm just gonna make these work for now. But there's 6 in there, so 6 for $1 for AA batteries from Dollar Tree. And then these guys I got from Five Below. I could not pass up the Mickey and Minnie Mouse Christmas little stuffed animals. I just thought they were so cute, and I just got them to add to our Christmas decor collection, so I didn't have to spend a whole lot. But that's everything I picked up to add to everything. So y'all just stay tuned and we'll go ahead and get to decorating. All right, you guys, so basically what I'm gonna be doing is utilizing my cake plate and turning it into like a little miniature snow globe village, basically. And so I won't be able to use all of these, but I'm gonna play around with it and see which ones fit the best. And we'll have to probably stagger them a little bit, but we're just gonna play around with it and see what happens. See-through a little bit, so I'm gonna cut another circle about the same size and just layer them on top of each other.
Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. Carols and bells, none of them help. I still feel blue. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I don't need a fancy watch. You can give the elves a break. No, you can't make it in the shop. You can't put it on your sleigh. You know me so well that nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love. Save the wrapping paper, your ribbon and bow. I don't need that extra stuff. Oh, I just wanna fall in love. Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights.